Hey chord coders, I'm going to show you how to learn every major chord in minutes in cheated guitar. So this is going to be easy. You're going to have to tune it to open E. What we're going to do is take the A string, we're going to tune it up to B. We're going to tune the D string up to E. G string is just going to go to G sharp. So that's E major, which is F, A, and C, and it's not playing anything but F, A, and C. Then we're going to go to F sharp major. Then we're going to go down to G sharp, 3rd fret. G. And then we're going to go down to G sharp major. Then we're going to go to A major. Then we're going to go down to B flat major. Then the 7th fret is B. 8th fret is C major. The 9th fret is C sharp, F, and G sharp. So D major with D, F sharp, and A. And the 11th fret is D sharp. D sharp major with D sharp, G, and B flat. So you can play all of these major chords, every single major chord, all the way up and down the neck with just one finger. And all you have to do is tune to open E. This concludes today's lesson on how to cheat a guitar. Till next time, keep rocking. Please like and subscribe to support the channel. In the description, you can get this book, download the first chapter for free, download or print all the slides I've ever used, and access my masterclass library where you can watch all of my videos in one place.